So at this point you might be wondering, well, what's the B1 and B2 for? If you look on the measuring tape, there's a B1, and if you go down enough, there's a B2. So from here to here. Well, this is basically for areas between 3 meters and 4 meters. So if the distance between your pegs is between 3 meters and 4 meters, you need to go down on the measuring tape over here, find your B1, and then horizontally go across, all the way across until you find your B2. And at that point, what you want to do is just put a little red dot. So we have our B1 over there, and we go across on a horizontal plane and essentially keep it perpendicular at a 90-degree angle. You go across and you find your B2. So the B2 is over here, and you put a red dot or any dot. Use a SCRIBIT marker, it's easy. You put a dot there, and that becomes your 0 point for the larger surface areas between 3 meters and 4 meters. So if your two pegs are between 3 and 4 meters, this is how you find your 0 point. You need to use the B1 and B2 on the measuring tape.